In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice pitch in CapCut PC. If you want to make a voice sound deeper, higher, or turn it into a more playful character-style effect, CapCut PC gives you a very simple way to do it. This is a quick process, but I'll walk you through it clearly so it's easy to follow and easy to repeat on any project. To begin, make sure your video or audio clip is already added to your project and placed on an open track in the timeline. Once it's there, click directly on the clip one time so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before it will let you apply any voice changes. If the clip is not selected, the settings you open may not affect anything, so always start by confirming the clip is active. After that, move your mouse over to the top right side of the screen where the Properties panel appears. This is where CapCut keeps many of the adjustment controls for the selected clip. Under the Audio section, click into the Voice Effects area to open the available voice transformation presets. This is the section you'll use when you want a fast and easy pitch change without manually editing advanced audio settings. Once the voice effects are visible, you can start trying different presets. For example, Deep will give the voice a lower, fuller, more resonant tone, while Chipmunk creates a much higher-pitched and more exaggerated sound that works well for comedic or stylized edits. You can click through the options and hear the difference, which makes it easy to find the effect that best matches your project. If you also want to adjust the playback speed of the clip and keep the pitch transformation connected to that change, go to the Speed section in the same top right panel. Before moving the speed slider, make sure the pitch option is turned on. This allows CapCut to apply pitch behavior while you're changing speed, which can help you create more dramatic voice variations depending on the style you're going for. When you've made your selection, play back the timeline and listen carefully to the result. This preview step helps you confirm that the transformed voice sounds the way you want before moving on with the rest of your edit. That's it. You now know how to change the voice pitch in CapCut PC, whether you want a deeper voice, a higher voice, or a fun character effect for your content.